What is up, guys? Ivan here, coming at you today on behalf of getivan.com, and today I want to answer the question, what is an SEO guide? First of all, what is SEO? So I have a post on that if you want to check that out. There's a link to that somewhere below this video. SEO stands for search engine optimization. So that can be a little confusing to, well, a lot of business owners are confused about that, really. And it's basically a page on a website that shows up in a search query. So someone types in a question in Google, for example, and a page on somebody's website comes up as a result for that question. So that's a pretty simple way of describing it. Now, an SEO guide is probably a PDF or a video or a series of text instructions coupled with videos that would discuss how to perform SEO, the things that you can do to give your page or your website as a whole a better opportunity at ranking higher in the search engine results, because statistically, the higher something is in those results, then the more likely people are going to choose that result. And so my guide, my do-it-yourself SEO guide, is all about teaching business owners how to uh, encourage their pages and build their pages in such a way where they have a better opportunity at ranking higher in those search engine results when people are out there asking questions and searching for various things. So that's pretty much it. Thanks. Bye-bye.